congratulate the finance minister for at least accepting the fact that we want to make India Atmanirbhar, not yet Atmanirbhar. And I'm very happy that she has accepted that. The clarification I want is that you have reduced the allocation. It is the Kisan who is hurt and the Kisan who is sitting there. And you have reduced the allocation, and I want to ask you, why have you reduced the allocations for agriculture?
Right.
As far as the...
Right,
no, one second.
Please.
You have also reduced the allocations to education. Please clarify to the House as to why you have reduced the allocations for agriculture and allocations for agriculture and one other thing. In the defense, you had promised the defense... Sir, one second. You had promised the defense personnel... One second, sir.
No, I have previous instance also.
That you will every 5 years you will increase the pension for defense personnel. Why did you not increase the pension this year?
Right. Clarification. Clarification. Please. Anybody else? You want to respond? Please. No, please. Please. What is the clarification? 1 minute, ma'am.
One clarification. Ma'am, the allocation for MIS, PSS for 21-22 was 1,500 crores. It fell 25% from 2021 and was half of 2019-20. Allocation under PM.
What is the clarification?
Allocation for the most important funds meant for the MSP is reduced. Why?
Right. Please.
Sir, with due respect, sir, Honorable Member Sibal ji asked me about the education allocation. Actually, it's not reduced, sir. Total allocation for Department of School Education and Department of Higher Education is 93,224 crores in 21-22B, which is 4.2% higher than the actual expenditure of 1920 and 9.6% more than the current RE. That I want to explain, sir. And similarly, under National Program for Midday Meals in Schools, the allocation in BE of 21-22 is 11,500 crores, which is higher than the BE of 2021 by about 11,000 crores. So it's actually not reduced. And defense, I did explain that defense is now under no category have we reduced. On the contrary, we have only increased. But increasing of the pension is not just Government of India. It will have to have a whole lot of exercise. It's not it's not something which within 1 year I can deal with.
Sir,
sir, that is. I'm sorry, Honorable Member Biswam, sir. Through you, I want to tell you, agriculture MSP reduction. I have read out even during the budget speech as to how much of procurement under MSP for each one of those. And 22 crops are listed, and all 22 we are opening up for MSP procurement.
Right.
And where is this imaginary, you've reduced? This is why I humbly submit, sir, to you, through you, I appeal to members, fake narratives, please do not buy it. Have a look at the budget. Actual numbers are there.
Right, ma'am. Thank you. Honorable members, the 2-week-long first part of this budget session